Guys, it's gonna be real quick. Don't even have my tripod set up. I got a box in from one of my paying members, and we're going to go ahead and we are going to open it up and take a look what's in it. I kind of know what's in it. There's a lot of stuff for review, maybe some stuff for sharpening. I'm not even doing the green screen thing. So turn down the volume. Here comes some music. I'm going to turn this directly around and start looking right into the knives. Where's the button? All right, guys, we got another box that came in. We're going to open this up real quick. I may have to cut. There might have to be a quick clip cut because there's probably a note in here, and I just don't want Mr. Cobretti's information to go out. We're going to open it with my brand new Kubi KU44, designed by my buddy Sharif Manganis. This is a gift from him. He also sent me a Spyderco, knowing how much I love Spydercos. That's a little bit of sarcasm, guys. So this thing is great. I have got the raw footage of first day in pockets. I don't know how soon you guys can see it. Let's get this into this. So yeah, let me go ahead, pull this note out and put it off to the side because there's money in it as well. There's that. And then there's some other stuff in here. Okay, so what is in here? Let's start pulling it out and we'll talk about it. This is Terribility. I don't know what that means. So let's open this up and take a look. Jesus. Good God in heaven. This is, this I believe he had said was a gift to the channel. We might do this as a giveaway. What is this? Okay, so that is unique. All right, that's kind of cool, actually. I'm digging that. That is the Uzi Terribility. It deploys, and these two little things right here are the actuators for the for the return into the sheath. That's pretty neat. I will probably look up some info on this, but that is the Uzi Terribility. Is it an Uzi? That is actually kind of cool. A little bit of blade play. It's a Moser design, cryo edge. I had some Uzi stuff. Uzi does not make bad stuff. I mean, it's kind of budget, and I have no illusions that that is going to break real easily the way that I treat things and handle things. So, but there we go. There's that one. So there's the first knife. Hang on a second. Let's get this out of the way and get the next one. That Kubi put back in my pocket. So the next couple things, I think I know what they are. So this is cold steel counterpoint. One of these is a counterfeit counterpoint. So this would be the counterfeit. So let's go ahead and open these up. And the reason I asked him to go ahead and send these to me was because I wanted to do like a buyer beware video of some of these knockoffs and counterfeits that are out there. So there's a counterpoint. It's just kind of a bigger, beefier, what's the one I'm thinking of? It's, I got it here. Hang on just. All right, guys, I moved a little bit of stuff. I zoomed it out. So there we go. That's the counterpoint. Let me zoom you back there. This is the counterpoint. It's the Tylite was what I was thinking of. It's real similar to the Tylite, kind of a stiletto design, a little bit beefier. It is comfortable in hand. This is a counterfeit counterpoint that he sent me so that I could do kind of a buyer beware video. And this is the only things that are in this, just these three knives. So I'm not a fan of, I got the shakes today, guys. I'm not a fan of counterfeit knives. I typically don't do things about it, but this is a buyer beware because apparently there's a lot of these counterfeit cold steels out there. So let's go ahead and pull this out and see how similar they are. Yeah, you can definitely pick it out of a lineup, but they definitely tried. This is aluminum. This is not definite issues with the blade, markings, all that. Not correct, but we'll do a buyer beware video on that. So that was just real quick. I just wanted to do that. Thank you, Winston, for sending that along. Make sure there's nothing else in this box. Just a bunch of packing peanuts. So yeah, guys, that was it real quick. Just wanted to do that so that we could get this unboxing done. I know you guys like to see when stuff shows up. At Counterpoint, actually, I kind of picked on it in the video when I looked at the catalog. That's not a bad knife, to tell you the truth. I'm not going to hate on it anymore. I thought it was just pretty much a rehash of this, which is a knife I like. So, guys, let's turn this around. Do a little bit of final thoughts. So yeah, guys, that was just real quick. I just wanted to do the unboxing. When stuff comes in for the channel, I like to do reviews or just a quick unboxing. I know a lot of people like it. It seems to be fun. I'm going to try and do some shorts and stuff. Jared and I have been talking about things that we think would help our channels and stuff he's doing. So I'm going to kind of do some of that stuff. There's probably going to be some shorts that just are like quick talking points. There are going to be some videos about sharpening and different materials and different equipment, stuff like that. So little changes, little things are coming out the channel. Guys, just real quick, a little bit of extra content. This is going to be going up on Saturday. So you guys have a little bit extra here. So it's Saturday for you guys. It's just another day of the week here for me. So that's it, guys. I love y'all. Keep it clean in the comment section. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. Please try to tell me why. If you want to support the channel, it's as simple as like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. That's what helps all these channels. Jared is actually doing great things over on his channel. Go follow him. He actually just linked a couple of my videos that really got some traction. I really appreciate it. Jared's probably one of the best dudes I know. Him, Cole, Lefty, some of the best guys out there. So go follow their channels. But if you do want to support my channel financially, I have a bunch of different ways. I have a membership tab down below. Get you in on a bunch of different perks, including I have a gilded server. It's a chat server, a lot like Discord, where you can talk. I have exclusive content based on tier and a sharpening tutorial series that's available to premium tier, top tier members. And you save $5 per knife on my sharpening service. Other ways you could do it, I have affiliate links. If you're doing some shopping on Amazon or some of these other places, just use one of my affiliate links. I get credit when you check out. It doesn't cost you anything extra. And I have a merchandise store where you can purchase shirts with my logo and stuff on it. And I've set up a coupon code on Ember Shirt Care, where my merchandise store is. It saves you 10% anywhere there on checkout. And it doesn't, it doesn't hurt. And if you send me pictures of you wearing my merch, I'll put them in videos. That coupon code is CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S, CrazySharp, all one word. Guys, I got to get going. I love y'all. Keep it clean in the comment section. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I will see you in the next video.